Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to get invisible username on Discord. So if you also want to get invisible username on Discord, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.discord.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Discord. At the top right corner you'll be able to see the option for open Discord. All you have to do is click on it. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you look at the bottom left you'll be able to see your username over here. You can see over here my username is invisible. So if you also want to get the invisible username, all you have to do is click on your username. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Here you'll be able to see the option for edit profile. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the option for display name over here. In order to get the invisible username, you'll have to enter a special character in this box. All you have to do is open new tab. Now click on the search bar and type in 1CBC character. Press enter. Now here you'll be able to see the website for U+1 CBC Unicode code .1 CBC. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Now in this box there is one character. All you have to do is highlight it. Now right click on your mouse. Click on the copy option. Now go back to Discord. Now what you have to do is click on this box right over here. Now right click on your mouse. After that, you'll have to click on the paste option that you can see right over here. And now here you'll be able to see the option for save changes. All you have to do is click on it. Now go back. Now right over here, you'll be able to see that your username is invisible. So that is how you get invisible username on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.